Here's the truth no one tells you about same-day cash advance apps. A lot of them advertise instant money. But once you sign up, they suddenly ask for monthly subscriptions, hidden express fees, or premium memberships just to access your own advance. And that frustrates people fast. In this video I'll show you how to get a same-day cash advance without paying for a subscription, which apps are actually worth trying in 2026, and the biggest mistakes that delay approvals even when you qualify. Let's get straight to the answer. Yes, it is possible to get a same-day cash advance without a subscription. But you need to understand two important things. First, no subscription does not always mean completely free. Second, same-day funding usually depends on your bank connection, direct deposits, and verification speed. This is where most people fail. They download random apps during a financial emergency without checking the actual requirements first. Now, let's break down the best approach step by step. The first thing you need is a stable bank account. Most legitimate advance apps connect through services like Plaid to verify your banking activity. They want to see recurring deposits, reasonable account history, and active usage. A user named Alex tried applying with a nearly empty account that had multiple overdrafts and no recent income deposits. He got denied almost immediately. Meanwhile, Jake used an account with regular weekly paychecks and consistent balances. His approval process moved much faster. The lesson is simple. Your banking behavior matters more than people think. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some apps charge monthly subscriptions before you can even request an advance. Others allow free access but may charge optional instant transfer fees. If your goal is avoiding subscriptions specifically, you need to focus on apps that offer standard access without mandatory monthly memberships. Apps like Earnin are often discussed because they traditionally avoid mandatory subscription pricing. Instead, they may use optional tipping systems or expedited transfer fees. But here's the problem. Even optional costs can add up if you constantly choose instant delivery. So the smartest move is balancing urgency with cost. Now in a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to improve approval odds. But first, let's talk about same-day timing because this confuses people constantly. Same-day funding usually depends on three things: your bank compatibility, the time of day you apply, and whether you choose express delivery. If you apply late at night, even a fast app may not process until the next business cycle. Some banks also process transfers slower than others. This is where many users panic unnecessarily. John requested an advance Friday evening and expected instant delivery within minutes. But his bank delayed processing until Saturday morning. He thought the app was broken, but it was really a banking timeline issue. So, if timing matters, apply earlier in the day whenever possible. Now let's talk about apps people commonly search for. Earnin often works best for users with traditional payroll schedules. Dave can work without massive requirements, but may involve small service costs depending on delivery speed. MoneyLion offers advances tied to account activity and raw money usage. Current also provides paycheck-related advance features for eligible users. But here's the truth no one likes hearing. No app guarantees instant approval for everyone. These platforms analyze risk carefully because they are advancing money before payday. Now let's focus on increasing your approval odds fast. First, link the bank account where your paycheck actually arrives. This sounds obvious, but many people accidentally connect secondary accounts with little activity. Second, avoid applying right after overdrafts. Frequent negative balances can lower trust signals. Third, verify your identity fully. Incomplete verification is one of the biggest causes of delays. Fourth, maintain consistent deposits. Even gig income can help if deposits appear regularly. And fifth, avoid opening multiple advance apps simultaneously. This is where most people fail badly. They panic and apply to 5 different apps in 1 hour. Some systems detect unusual behavior patterns, which can create additional reviews or denials. Instead, focus on one strong application first. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users qualify for same-day advances without direct deposit if they show consistent alternative income. Gig work, freelance payments, or government benefits may sometimes count depending on the app. But traditional payroll deposits still tend to produce the strongest results. Now let's talk about hidden fees because this matters a lot. Some apps advertise free advances, but the real cost appears through express transfer upgrades. For example, standard delivery might take 1 to 3 business days at no cost. But same-day or instant delivery may trigger a small fee. So technically you avoided the subscription, but you still paid for speed. That is why reading the transfer screen carefully matters. A user named Sarah skipped the details and approved an express option automatically. Later she realized the fee reduced the amount she actually received. That may not sound huge once, but repeated fees can add up surprisingly fast. Now in a minute, I'll show you the safest strategy for using these apps long term. But first, let's answer another major question. Are no subscription cash advance apps safe? Generally, legitimate apps with strong reputations and secure banking integrations are safer than random websites promising instant loans with no verification. But here's the problem. Scam sites often copy the language of real cash advance services. If an app promises guaranteed approval with no income checks, asks for upfront payments before funding, or pressures you aggressively, that is a major warning sign. Legitimate services verify banking activity and identity before advancing money. Now let's discuss repayment because many users underestimate this part. Most cash advance apps automatically withdraw repayment on your next payday. That means if you borrow recklessly, your next paycheck could feel much smaller than expected. This creates the cycle people struggle with. Borrow, repay, fall short again, borrow again. So use advances carefully and only when necessary. Now here's the smartest strategy if you need same-day money without subscriptions. Step 1. Choose apps known for free access tiers. Step 2. Verify your bank and identity immediately after sign-up. Step 3. Maintain stable deposits before emergencies happen. Step 4. Request only what you truly need. And Step 5. Avoid stacking advances from multiple apps simultaneously. That last point is huge. Some people borrow from one app to repay another. That spiral gets dangerous quickly. Now let's talk about realistic expectations in 2026. New users often start with smaller advances. Think modest amounts rather than huge emergency loans. Limits can increase gradually if your repayment history stays strong. This is where patience matters. A lot of users expect massive limits instantly and quit after seeing a smaller first approval. But many apps increase trust over time. Now here's the final takeaway. Yes, you can absolutely get a same-day cash advance without paying a monthly subscription. But approval depends heavily on your banking history, income consistency, and account verification. And even when subscriptions are not required, express delivery fees may still apply if you need money immediately. The best approach is preparing before an emergency happens. Set up your account early, verify everything properly, and understand the fee structure before you urgently need cash. That preparation can save you time, stress, and unnecessary charges. If this video helped you understand how these apps really work, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest financial app breakdowns. And tell me in the comments which cash advance app gave you the fastest approval in 2026.